Campus to corporate training, how it can impact you. Filling knowledge gaps. Programs bridging campus to corporate life provide practical insights, equipping graduates with essential skills for the professional arena. Boosting confidence. Interactive workshops and mentorship enhance graduates' confidence, preparing them for real-world challenges and interactions in the workplace. Developing soft skills. Emphasis on communication, teamwork, and leadership cultivates crucial soft skills, ensuring graduates navigate professional environments effectively. Heightened productivity. Rapid adaptation skills learned in these programs improve workplace productivity. Graduates seamlessly integrate into corporate culture. Networking opportunities. These initiatives foster valuable connections. Graduates engage with industry experts and peers, establishing networks that prove beneficial throughout their careers. Sustainable impact. The acquired skills have a lasting effect, shaping enduring careers. Participants evolve into adaptable professionals, making significant contributions to their organizations. Moving from campus to corporate isn't just a change, it's a profound transformation, molding graduates into confident, skilled, and proactive professionals. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.